हाँ students, any doubt in previous chapter? Last chapter I revised flow of control.
No, sir.
Flow of control. Any confusion in this?
Me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have some doubt in data handling and conditional and iterative statement.
Data handling and conditional iterative statement. Can you give some question to me or software? Now I'm sharing my screen with you. Look this. I think question is A equals to true, TRUE true, then B equals to 0 less than 5, then print A equals to B, then print A is B. After that, C equals to str in bracket A, then D equals to str B, then print C equals to D, then print C is D, then E equals to input, enter, then print C equals to E. After that, print C is E. Diya, this is your question.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the output we will get when this line will execute? First, this line A, print A equals to B. So this is a relational operator. This is a relational operator. Okay? So it will check the value of A and B both. Now, true is written without any quotes. That means it is a Boolean value. So Boolean value means true. Or if it is written like this inside double quotation mark, that time it is a string type value. But here in this question, it is written without the quotes. That means it is a Boolean value. So means value of A is true. Value of A is true. And then B less than 0. Yes, we know that B less than 0, it is true. 0 is integer and 5 is also integer. So 0 less than 5, this means condition is true. So B is also stored true. Now A equals to B. Is it true or false? According to the value, true, na? Now say this question first. Question number 14 dot py. Clear? Now look this. Yes, value of A and value of B both are true. Both are true. That means it will return true. Clear? So print A equals to B. That means it is true. Now A is B. A is B is also true. The is operator, in the yesterday class I explained this is operator return false when the address of फ्लोटिंग टाइप वैल्यू इज डिफरेंट. जब फ्लोटिंग टाइप वैल्यू कोई होगी और उसका एड्रेस हमारा अलग आएगा, दैट टाइम इट विल रिटर्न फॉल्स. बट हियर दिस इज अ बूलियन इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ नंबर. बूलियन इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ नंबर. बूलियन भी आपका नंबर का एक सब टाइप है. ठीक है, मीन इंटीजर का एक पार्ट है. क्लियर? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट विल ऑल्सो रिटर्न ट्रू. तो ए इक्वल्स टू बी ट्रू. A is B is also true. Both are true. Then str A, then str B. Look this, str A and str B. This one is also true because value of A, value of C and value of D both are correct. दोनों क्या हमारे करेक्ट हैं. क्लियर? both are correct. Correct means both the values are same. Just like string A. When we convert this true value into string, so it will return str in the string form. Str in the string form. And similarly, B, value of B is also true in Boolean type. When we want to convert this value into str, it is also converted in form of string, and the value of C and D both remain same, or it is in the form of like ऐसे कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी है लाइक TRUE true double quotes, that means string type value. Similarly here this is also a string type value. Now both are same, both are same, so both are same, that means it return true. C equals to D, again true. Now C is D, yes, it also return true, because only in case of floating point number, listen, only in case of floating point number the address is different. सिर्फ जो नंबर होगा कौन सा फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट होगा, दैट टाइम इट विल रिटर्न फॉल्स, एंड रिमेनिंग ऑल द केसेस इट विल रिटर्न ट्रू. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस E? E equals to enter. Enter means you give some value. ठीक है, you give some value. अब either you have to provide true, same type, the same value, clear, or you have to provide different. But when user provide value through the input function, it will take a new memory location. जब यहां पर ये आएगा तो उस टाइम पर it will take new memory location. So according to this is it will return false, but according to this equal to sign, it will return true. Now check with the help of software. Now first four are true, then suppose that here you have to type false, 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 clear, then return false, false, both are false. Why both are false? Because the value of E is false, value of E is false, and the value of C is true. So both are not matched. That means it will return false. Or here, well, both the values are different. According to that, it also false. Suppose that here in this example, next example, here you provide same value like TRUE true. This time first value, that means by the help of equal to operator, by the help of equal to operator, it will return true, but with the is operator it returns false, because the address of this E is different from the address of C. ठीक है, जब हम यूजर से वैल्यू ले रहे हैं उस टाइम पर ये क्या कर रहा है, एड्रेस को कंपेयर कर रहा है. जब यूजर से वैल्यू ले रहे हैं तो उस टाइम पर एड्रेस को कंपेयर कर रहा है, और यहां पर देखो यहां पर भी ये एड्रेस को कंपेयर कर रहा है, बट दोनों वैल्यू क्या असाइन हो रही हैं, दोनों वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पर असाइन हो रही है. दैट्स व्हाई बोथ द एड्रेस रिमेन सेम. असाइन के
सर
टाइम
आप स्ट्रिंग में नहीं रखा,
स्ट्रिंग में नहीं रखा. लुक once again I'm typing like this TRUE true. ठीक है, this is boolean type value ना, this is boolean type value, but we are taking this value with the help of input function, or whatever we have to take with the help of input function, it will consider as string type value. क्लियर, मैं उसे दे बूलियन में रहा हूं, बट वो स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट हो जा रहा है अपने आप ही.
yes sir.
Clear? So according to that, or if you want to check the address like IDE, address is this one, or IEIDC. Now see the difference. Address of C this time 272, or address of E 672. So both the address are different. That's why is operator returns false.
Sir, but in the question it is given in string.
The question it is given in string. Which one? C na?
Sir, in the question it is written predict the output if E is given input as true.
he has given input as a true. So this time I have taken input as a true. देखो input हमने true ही तो लिया है. और this value will assign in variable e. देखो ये लिखा नहीं है input enter. तो this time I have taken value as true. True ही लिए मैंने value और this value assign in variable e. तो e की value क्या हो गई? True. और with the help of input function whatever we have to take it convert into string. तो वो string में चले जाएगा. तो है तो वही. चेक कर लो एक बार फिर से. Now look this enter. Enter means value provided by user. तो true मैंने value ले ली. This value assign in variable e. अब e में चले गई ये value. ठीक है. Now compare. C equals to e लिखा था. That is true. But C is e लिखा था. That is false. Is operator compare address part, whereas equal to operator compares value. Now it is clear.
सर अगर हम इसको स्ट्रिंग में लिखेंगे तो सर ये
A minute. What do you want? Like this. True true. You want like this ना? दिया ऐसे लिखना मुझे स्ट्रिंग में. दिया दिया yes, ask your doubt.
बस एक चीज पूछनी है.
Ask your doubt.
Sir, why we have taken here x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Sir, if we will not write it, then the program will not execute.
If you not write this, then program will not execute. No, it will execute.
Yes.
It will execute, no problem.
So, sir,
it depends on you, beta. If you not write, it will execute, or if you write this, no problem. Check it. Look, same program I will write here. X equals to float input and enter first number then y equals to same line we have to write once again input second number, copy input second number, z equals to input third number. After that, take x as a maximum value. Then if y equals to max colon, then y if z equals to z greater than max equals to z, then print largest number is save your program. .py. Enter first number. Suppose that 6, 3, 8. Now largest number is 8. It is executed without taking x equals to y equals to z equals to 0. It will execute, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Any other question?
Yes, sir.
Look this. First of all, question says that you have to take one character from the user. If character is equal to space, then count space plus one. Otherwise, ठीक है, otherwise छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है. Now ch equals to input, enter one character. After that, here you need the value of spaces is equals to 0 or value of cache is also 0. Here we need, पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में जरूरत नहीं थी बट यहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी. क्लियर? देन if ch equals to single quotes open, single quotes close, then SPACES spaces plus 1 spaces plus equals to 1, then CHARS cats plus equals to 1, then print space count space SPACES spaces print count as character, comma CHARS cats. Save this program. Demo1.py. Now enter one character. If you type space, this is the one character, and then press enter key, you will get count space equals to 1, count character equals to 1. Now understand this question. Initial value of spaces as well as initial value of character both are 0. Both the values are 0. Okay. Now one character you have to take from the user to enter one character, and this character will assign in variable ch. If your character is space, if your character entered character is space, then condition is true because you have taken as a space or you want to compare with space. तो both are space, condition is true. जब दोनों स्पेस होंगे मींस जो आपने एंटर किया है और जो आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो, if both are same then condition is true and then space equals to means here we need to expand this line as SPACES spaces equals to SPACES spaces plus 1. So that's why here we need the value of spaces. क्योंकि स्पेस की वैल्यू में ही तो हम 1 प्लस करेंगे, तो इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ स्पेस इज 0. तो 0 प्लस 1 इट विल काउंट 1 एंड द 1 इज द न्यू वैल्यू ऑफ स्पेसेस. जो नई वैल्यू बन के आएगी वो स्पेस की 1 आ जाएगी. देन स्पेस इज ऑल्सो अ कैरेक्टर. Space is also a character. So here it will expand like this: CHARS cats equals to CHARS plus 1. Character plus 1. So 0 plus 1 that is 1. Clear? So space is also character. That's why count space 1 or count character equals to 1. Both are 1. Now see once again your output. If you type character like A, then press enter key. Now space equals to 0 and character equals to 0. Why? Because of this line. Because of this line, the value of ch is A और A is not matched with space. जो A है वो हमारा space के साथ मैच नहीं करा तो ये दोनों काउंट नहीं होंगे. Both the lines will not execute. So the value of count space is 0 and the value of count character is 0. Or if you provide character as space, now this is space and then press enter key, count space equals to 1 and count character equals to 1. Diya, is it clear? In that example, ch equals to input, enter a single character is written. Enter a single character is written, or single character, that means in the form of string. In the form of string में लिखा है. तो ch की वैल्यू क्या होगी? कोई भी एक कैरेक्टर. If that character is space, so you will get a message. You entered a space. Otherwise, if you entered your character is more than or equals to 0 but less than equals to 9, or this time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the characters, not a digit. यहाँ पर कोट्स में लिखा है, that means it is a character. और digit में होता तो we have to write like this. Look, ch, first I write same program, input, enter a single character, then if ch is equals to single quotes open, single quotes close, after that print you entered a space, if ch is greater than equals to 0, single quote 0, and ch is less than equals to 9, then print you entered digit. Now enter a single character. If you enter space, then you will get a message you entered a space. Second, if you enter a character like A, then you will not get any message, because this program will execute only for space as well as digits. Now suppose that you enter digit like 5, then you will get a message you entered a digit. Look this time I have written 5. Or by the help of input function we have taken the input function से मैंने input लिया है. ठीक है, तो whatever we have to take through the input function, it will consider as a string. तो वो string के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और यहाँ पर हमें string को ही कंपेयर करना है. If we write like this int and then input like this and close your bracket like this, then no need to put commas here. Then
Okay, sir.
enter 2, then you enter a digit. Clear? Both are the same, but here in the first line we have not written int, so that's why this is taken as a string type value और यहाँ पर हमें string लगाना पड़ेगा. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Done.
any other confusion? Now this program is important. Program says that write a program to find the second largest number of a list of numbers. Okay, Ayush. Then write a program to find second largest number of a list of numbers. ठीक है? So here we want to get second largest numbers. ठीक है? Second largest number means एक तो largest चाहिए और second one is second largest. So for this we have to take a list, LST. So LST, that is empty list. Then int input, enter number of elements. How many elements you want to take from the user? Means inside the list, how many elements you want to take from the user. Then for I in range n, n means suppose you have taken 5. Suppose you have taken 5. So 5 numbers user will enter. Or each element will store in variable A, and with the help of append function, it will add in the empty list. This is the empty list, LST, and we want to take value in the empty list by the help of append function. We have append, extend, insert, 3 function. We have to insert element in the list. So here this time I am using append function. So this time list is empty. Suppose I enter 1. तो 1 जो एलिमेंट होगा इंटीजर में वो लिस्ट के अंदर ऐड हो जाएगा. Similarly 2, similarly 3, like this. Clear? Then by using len function, it will count the length of the string or hold in length, length variable. No need to use this line. This is optional. Okay? Because here in this program I have written n. N means number of elements. So means number of elements is same as length of the list. Both are same. ये और ये दोनों एक ही होंगे. Clear? So either you have to use length or you have to use n. Both are same. Then biggest equals to second biggest equals to first element of the list because it is stored at 0 index. But it is not possible logical wise. Logic wise देखें तो ये in logical manner it is not true क्योंकि दोनों element biggest और second biggest possible नहीं हो सकते. It is possible only when both the values are same. Means if the list contain all the elements of same like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, that means biggest and second biggest both are same. But logical wise, logically it is not correct. So logically से हमें मतलब नहीं, हमें program चलाना है. So first time we have to take biggest and second biggest both are 0. Then for I in range 1 comma length, this loop will begin and then compare. If the list I index जो element है is greater than biggest element, I list I means one index पे जो element है, if it is greater than biggest element, then biggest will assign in second biggest. Biggest जो होगा वो आपका second biggest में assign हो जाएगा and जो list I index पे होगा वो आपका biggest बन जाएगा. According to this rule, यहाँ पर if list I index element is greater than biggest, so that means अब this is the new element is the biggest. जो ये नया element होगा वो biggest होगा और this biggest element is the second biggest क्योंकि अब ये biggest नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि इससे बड़ा element हमें मिल गया है. ठीक है, तो जो लिस्ट I इंडेक्स पे है वो हमारा बिगेस्ट हो जाएगा और जो बिगेस्ट था पहले दैट इज असाइन इन सेकंड बिगेस्ट, वो सेकंड बिगेस्ट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? इफ दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड देन चेक सेकंड वन. लिस्ट I is greater than second biggest, मे बी इट इज ग्रेटर देन सेकंड बिगेस्ट. ठीक है, तो वो जो नया एलिमेंट होगा वो सेकंड बिगेस्ट में असाइन हो जाएगा और यहाँ पर ये पूरी लिस्ट कंपेयर होगी एंड देन लास्ट में लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट आपको डिस्प्ले कर देगा बाय यूजिंग दिस लाइन एंड सेकंड लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट यू विल गेट बाय यूजिंग दिस लाइन.